Hi friends, my name is Mansi Koli and my project name is Prepare various type of welding joint. Brief introduction. The welding joint are point or edge two or more pieces of metal or plastic are joined together. They are formed by welding two or more workpiece, metal or plastic according to a particular geometry. There are five types of joint referred to by the American Welding Society: butt, corner, edge, lap, and T. The configuration may have various configuration at the joint where actual welding can occur. Aim of the micro project. The object of welding is to join two separate pieces of metal or plastic together to form one singular piece and not be able to break apart under potential applied load. Different types of welding: corner joint, butt joint, T joint, lap joint, edge joint. First, corner joint. Corner joint are used to join two members located approximately at right angle to each other in shape of L. This is diagram is the shape L and joint is L shape type. Butt joint. The butt joint is a technique in which two pieces of metal are joined by simple placing and end together without spatial space shaping. Butt joint is a flat joint, but simple joint is a butt joint. T joint. T joint is used to join two sections of metal with surface located approximately 90 degrees to each other at joint, but surface of one plate or section is not in same plane as the end of the other surface. T joint is the T section joint and 90-degree angle. Lap joint. Lap welding joint are mostly used join two plates of metal with different thickness. This is the diagram in the two plates of metal in different thickness joint. Edge joint. Edge joint are often applied to the sheet of metal part that have flanging edge or are placed at a location where a weld must be made attached to adjacent piece. This diagram is a two adjacent piece is attached is a edge joint. Application of welding. The application of lap joint mainly include gas tungsten arc weld resistance spot welding as well as gas metal arc welding. Those are also used in plastic, wood, tabling, temporary flaming, assembly of the frame in cabinet making and the automation relating process. Advantages of the welding. First, the welding joints are more economical or less labor and less material is required. Second, the efficiency of welded joint is more than that of the riveted joint. The welded joint look better than the bulky riveted and butted joint. Third, the speed of the fabrication is faster in comparison with the riveted joint. Limitation of welding. First, welding joints are more brittle and therefore their fatigue strength is less than the member joint. Second, due to uneven heating and rolling of the member during the welding, the member may distort, resulting in additional stresses. Third, skilled labor and electricity are required for welding. Thank you.